Happy day, dear all. Welcome to my English class. In the previous class, we completed lesson number 4, A Tale for Daisy Rabbit, and we were working out the exercises part. In today's class, we are going to solve the exercises in page number 44 and 45. So first, vocabulary, parts of the body. So here, an image of a boy is given and few parts of the body has been marked. You will have to write the correct names of the parts of the body. The correct answers are, so we'll start from our left side. First one is eye, E-Y-E, eye. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Palm, P-A-L-M, palm. Little finger, L-I-T-T-L-E, little finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, little finger. And towards our right side, head, H-E-A-D, head. Forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Ear, E-A-R, ear. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. This thumb finger, so here particularly they have pointed towards the thumb finger, so we'll write thumb finger, T-H-U-M-B, thumb finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Knee, K-N-E-E, knee. L-E-G, leg. F-E-E-T, feet. So these are the different parts of our body. Moving on to the next pronunciation. The sounds A, A-I, A-Y. Now listen carefully and you should repeat the words along with me. Bake, cake, date, face, gate, race. These are the words with a sounds. Daisy, fail, gain, main, rain, tail. These are the words with AI sounds. Day, lay, may, play, stay, tray. These are the words with A-Y sounds. So shall we repeat it once again? Bake, cake, date, face, gate, race. Daisy, fail, gain, main, rain, tail. Day, lay, may, play, stay, train. Yes. Now let us move on to the next main, B. Read these words aloud and cross out the ones that do not have the A, AI, AY sounds. So in the previous slide, you saw the words with A, AI and AY sounds. So from these given words, you will have to strike out the words which do not have those sounds. So this will be your homework. I'll read out the words and you should identify it. Can, cane, nail, tap, tape, watch, clay, plate, plan, wake. So from these words, you should identify the words which do not have the sounds of A, AI, AY. Write the homework, take a photocopy and post it in the homework group. Now, exercise C. Say the words aloud and find the words that have the same sounds as the ones in the box. Write them in the spaces given. So here in this yellow box, a few words have been given. First, let me read out. Sell, write, read, plane, eye, road, meet, tail. And below here few words have been given. There are two words which have the same sound, but only matter is the spellings differ. Though the spellings are different, but their pronunciation is same. They are having the same sound. So you will have to select the words from this yellow box and you should write it in the space given here. So first one, let me help you out. Plane. So students, can you tell me the word which has the same sound as plane? Yes. Plane. Though the spelling is different, the pronunciation is same. Plane, plane. Second one, tail, tail, tail. Third one, meat, meat. Fourth one, right, right. Fifth one, read, read. Sixth one, road, road. Seventh one, I. Eighth one, cell, cell. So these are the words, similar words, though the spellings are different, but their sound is same. So now let us move on to grammar. ING form, present continuous tense. Read these sentences. Daisy is sitting near the bush. Jumpy is hanging from the tree. Rook is sitting in the tree. So the verbs is sitting and is hanging are talking about the action going on in the present. So these words are called as present continuous tense. So ing will be added to the verbs and converting them into present continuous tense. So look around the class and answer these questions. So maybe these questions would have been easy for you if you would have been in the school. But now as you are at home, no problem. So what is the teacher doing? So last year you can just recall what the teacher does normally in the classroom. The teacher is writing on the board. It is the present action which is happening. So we will be using is writing. What is your best friend doing? So your best friend who is sitting next to you, what is he doing right now? My best friend is playing, or my best friend is talking, or my best friend is writing. So anything it can be, but it should be the action which is going on right now. What is the student next to you doing? The student is reading the lesson, or the student is drawing a picture. So anything it can be. What are you doing? So right now, what are you doing? So I am drawing. So what am I doing? I am drawing, or I am singing, I am dancing. So anything it can be. Only thing is it should be the action which is going on right now. Yes, so here is a table which helps us to identify what, when we are supposed to use ing, and along with the ing, what are the helping verb that we are supposed to use when it is in singular, when it is in plural, or when it is with I. So first column is verb, second one with one thing. So it is singular with you, we, they, and more than one. So when it is plural and when it is with you, we, they. And this column is, it's only with I. So verb is read. If it is one thing, is reading. You, we, they, and more than one means are reading. With I means am reading. So it can be she is reading a book. They are reading stories. I am reading. So it comes like this when you frame in the form of sentences. So here put, is putting, are putting, am putting. Sleep, is sleeping, are sleeping, am sleeping. Slip, is slipping, are slipping, am slipping. So dear students, I want you to practice this table, learn the present continuous tense forms of the verbs when it is used with one thing, when it is used with you, we, they, and more than one, and when the verb is used with I. So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Practice the table, do the given homework. So until next class, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Thank you.